Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. Don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, it's potentially going to be a really big next 24 hours for pretty much the whole market because the tariffs for Canada, Mexico, and China are supposed to be going into effect this evening at midnight Eastern Standard Time, so DC time. I'm not exactly 100% sure how this is going to affect gold. I've never traded through tariff wars like this before, honestly. I'm definitely still very bullish on the higher time frames. Definitely still think it's a wave three. I'm definitely not convinced that this move up is over. We're not even close to a fib level, so I'm very, very bullish still. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it looks like a one, two, three. It looks like we should potentially go down again for wave five, then make some sort of a corrective pattern for wave B, then potentially down again for wave C, most likely a one, two, three, four, and five pattern. So one, two, three, four, and then eventually back up for wave five. This is definitely what my Elliot wave brain is saying, but the tails definitely could change this. Never traded through a tail four before, so we're just gonna have to watch and see how it all plays out. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.